Did you know that there's a shortcut to your dreams? In today's video, basically, we're going to teach you how to start a pig farm as a beginner. So we have a pig farmer with us. He's going to take us through.
Okay, thank you so much, my viewers. I'm going to take you through on how we can start a pig farm. You can see all around, this is our farm, and we have started it, and we also want to show to you how we can start the farm. So in the pig farming, it is not something that is difficult. There are very many people who keep on asking how we can start a farm, a pig farm or a pig farm. But it is not something that is hard. It is very simple. We can just start it simple. We need to, the first thing we need to have is we need to know what we want to rear. So if we know what we want to rear, it becomes very simple for us to start our farm. So taking an example, we started a pig farming. And that is what we have decided to do. And we have known in the beginning before we start what we wanted to do. So these pigs are seriously playing with him. You know, this is how you're supposed to behave with them. So after knowing it, the second thing you need to have is a land, a piece of land, and it is not always a big thing. So a piece of land that at least can take 2 rooms. The first room should be 10 by 10. The second room should also be 10 by 10. So that is the rough estimate of the house. Oh, okay, if you also don't have that land to that extent, you can also do something small the way we have done ours here. So the number 3 things is you need to have a nice breed. It is always good to have the best breed. We have there are different types of breeds. We have like the one we have right now is what we call the large white. So it is one of the best breed that we always have. So when you have the best breed, you will always have the best farm. So it is one of the priority that you need to have. You need to have the best breed. We have like Hampshire, which we don't have in our place, but with time, I know we shall upgrade to it. We have Landrace, which is not with us, and we pray that we shall reach to that extent. So by knowing the type of breed that you want to do, it makes it simple. So when you look at this one, it has not taken long. It has taken like 7 to 8 months. So this one, when you look at this one, in 7 to 8 months, we're having something that is, it is good. So to talk about the number, it is very important because some people feel like they want to start in a large scale, but it is not always necessary that you need to start in a large scale. We can decide to have like 5 sowers. That means the female pigs, we need to have them 5, and we have 1 boar. It is just as simple as that. 1 boar and 5 sowers. So at first I talked about the rooms. You need to at least have 2, and the first one, it is where the boar is always kept, and this boar is the king. It is always treated differently. It should stay alone. Then the other room should have the sowers. These 5 sowers that we have talked about, and that is how we are supposed to start. Then we make a rough a shelter for them. Then we start. Then when all goes well, the permanent houses that we shall be making will be as the results, because when we start this farm, it will not take time. We shall start making profits. So that is what I have for you, simply. Thank you so much.